Escape the everyday and discover Berrara, a hidden gem on the stunning NSW South Coast. Nestled between pristine beaches, tranquil lagoons, and the lush embrace of Cudmirrah National Park, Berrara is where the bush truly meets the sea. Forget the crowds. This is your perfect Australian seaside sanctuary. The first thing you'll notice is the incredible water. Berrara Beach is a haven for all water lovers. Surfers can chase the reef breaks, while swimmers enjoy the calmer waters protected by the northern reef. But the real magic might be at the Berrara Creek and Lagoon. This sheltered spot is ideal for families, offering calm waters perfect for learning to stand up paddleboard or kayak. Feeling adventurous? Take a walk down the beach at low tide to the famous mermaid pools, a magnificent spectacle of rock pools carved by the ocean. Step off the sand and into nature. Berrara is famous for its friendly locals, the resident kangaroos that often graze peacefully near the beach and holiday parks. Bring your bike or walking shoes to explore the surrounding Cudmirrah National Park. Follow scenic bush tracks like the Heath Circuit or walk out to the Walter Hood Monument, where history meets incredible coastal views. Keep an eye out for migrating whales in winter and playful dolphins year-round. For a touch of local history, paddle up Berrara Creek to find Aboriginal grinding grooves at Fisherman's Rock. When it's time to relax, Berrara and its neighbouring villages offer fantastic accommodation options. Whether you prefer the luxury of a lagoon-front chalet with a private spa or the community feel of a classic seaside retreat, you'll find it here. Holiday haven Swan Lake nearby offers cabins and powered sites nestled between the lake, beach, and national park, giving you full access to all the region's activities, from water skiing on the lake to beach fishing. Everything you need for an unforgettable holiday is right here. Berrara isn't just a destination, it's an experience.